little switch up. Needed a little switch up.
Warm it up. Let's go.
All right, Panda. Welcome back to YouTube. We are at Casino, Arizona on some Panda
We're kind of
magic.
crushing it.
We are crushing it. You
Hopefully
see our
you saw-
ticket here.
Hopefully you saw our last video of the monkey bug game.
Wild Temple. I kept referencing it monkey bug. I'm so sorry. All right. Gonna start on that $2, $10?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. 2,000 in.
Ooh.
3 of those lanterns, 6 of those balls. He is our wild. Nope, but that's okay. 3. One more.
Come on.
That could have been our first $2, $10 bonus in a long time.
Yeah. That'd be nice.
Whoop, whoop.
We're gonna get it to there right now.
2 more. Come on. Come on. 3. Oh,
This is teasing.
it is. 3. 3, 3. All right, all right. Oh my,
Very
guys.
active.
Oh my.
Even though we're not winning, it's active.
It's up to you where you want to go, where you want to stay. 2 more. All right, bet back. We'll take it. 4. All right, Panda, show us something. Show us something. You gotta, put it all back together. Line it up.
That's more $10 spins than we've done. Alright. That was fun.
Come on.
Damn it. Turn into anything, but you know what? We'll go back there when we're up and we're up over 2,000. We'll go back to this more.
What's our major at? 701. Grand is at 12.9. Come on. Ay, you rapid fired of 10s, all of
You
them.
never know.
Get him. 3, 2. Nah, look at how mean that is. That was a mean scream. 3. I would have taken it and forgive you forever.
Come on, Panda. Not a good start to this video.
The teasing is hard today.
Yeah, on this one. Alright.
2 more. Come on.
We're in 200.
With just a bunch of teasing.
You know what they say, the third hundred's where you
Come on.
get your win. So here we go. We're in that range.
I'm getting a little, I don't know.
Yeah, getting good vibes off this Panda. We're flanked by Autumn and Moon on each side.
I don't know. We're down a little bit here,
It's all nicer.
He was showing so much. And then he took it all back.
You know, this is one of my favorite bets.
3. Come on. I refuse to give up.
Or we just go cut down all the bamboo in the rainforest.
2 more. 1 more. 1 more.
To go extinct.
Hey. Nice. Well, then you won't be cute and lovable and have food to eat.
Yeah, but he's taking all our money, so it's one or the other. You don't get our money and all the bamboo.
3. Backside. That was max bet, bro. Max bet. And you took it from me.
You want bamboo? Or do you want money?
I want cash money. 1 more. 1 more.
You want money.
We are down 400.
This Panda's really taking it to us.
Not liking the way this is feeling.
The other game was a lot funner.
4. And this is the third machine and the third time, well no, it's not the 5th time, but the third machine, and they've all dropped a major to show us. And $500, guys. I don't know where our big money's going. Can't even get a bonus. Well, I've done everything.
Kill all our vibes, Panda.
I don't know. Come on, come on. Step out.
Could you imagine getting a lantern bonus on this though? Be massive.
I would like it. Let's make it happen.
Be rich AF.
Well, we've done them all, so I don't know.
And we put in 500.
Yep.
So, hey, we gotta slow it down a little. There we go. Let's start over. Hey Panda. This is the slot couple here. We're looking for a nice little bonus. We appreciate your cooperation.
Come on.
Sorry for all the hostility. But we were on a high from that last machine.
Yeah, what, Wild Temple? 3?
You kind of dumped on us. You're feeling invincible.
Come on. How about a lantern bonus? Let's just break the ice here. Because if not, I'm going to go to Autumn. And I don't ever play Autumn.
You hate Autumn.
I also hate being down $500 with no bonus.
Well, we did give it $100 right off the bat on the $10
$2.10.
bet.
Well, it was showing so much.
It's gotta be something. Let's
What do you want to do?
stay on the 625. Go 1400. See if we can catch it.
How about 5 lanterns?
That'd be nice. Take the standard 3 though.
2. Come on, come on. Backside, backside.
You know, this is what happened to us on
Happy.
Happy over there. And then all of a sudden start getting bonuses. Come on.
Come on. Right here. Alright, what do you want to do?
You want to move?
I don't know. We've already put in 600. What are you thinking? One more? That was so mean.
Let's do this to 1200.
That was mean. Come on, big balls, big balls.
We're up money.
Yeah, we're up.
We were betting
3.
more than this on that other game.
Try it here.
Come on.
Oh yeah, we were betting 17 on that other game.
So if we can catch one here, there's a lot of potential for a big win. A lot of potential to get rest also.
All the way. Come on.
What we're doing.
All the way. Ay, ay, ay.
That's not the right amount. One. Thank you.
Oh, I'm so mad at the Panda.
Alright. Just release the tension into a bonus. There you go.
I wish we would have had a tiger somewhere.
Hey. Got bonuses. Come on. They'll forgive you for everything you've done to us so far.
I won't even be mad. Come on. I don't even know what to say. 3, 2. Well, we are in 800 on here with no bonus.
I like what you did there. Yeah, right. This is what it did to us last time we were here. I'm starting to get flashbacks. It did the same exact thing, and then we moved over to autumn and lost the rest of them.
We got 10s, queens partway, roosters.
Something like that.
Yeah, 10s.
That's exactly what it did to us last time. We got like $150 line here. Wait, down a whole bunch. Change your history, man. Come on.
Go to whatever you want.
This is where we started.
2 more. Come on, come on. Be the first game of the day to give us some free games.
Oh, we got it on that.
I'm talking about our Dragon Link, Lightning Link.
Aristocrat game. Let's do it. Why not? That's gotta be a win, right? Could be the first one.
I mean,
Or just a bonus.
right? Let's just start with some free games. That's fine.
I've had people say this is their least favorite version.
Let's tell the people that you picked him today. So
What's your least favorite version?
I don't know. Him right now.
Can you change it? Would you change your opinion if he gave you a bonus right now?
Yeah, because really he isn't. Typically it's Autumn Moon, so. But when you're down so much without a bonus, it's hard to.
Well, there's a lot of potential if we catch a few bonuses. When we catch them, like the left hand. When we catch this bonus here. I don't know. I give up.
One more. All right. Let's go.
Alright.
3 lanterns.
$15 bet. Huge bonus. Let's go.
Line it up, baby. Line it up. Bonus in the bonus. Oh, come on.
Folks.
Win a mini for $2.50. Let's go. Woo.
I'm starting to sweat out here. Or major.
Come on, big, big, big. Come on, Panda. Put one in there. Oh, no stopping. Woo.
Sigh of relief. Come on.
Come on, one more. See that 750 that was right there? Ay, ay, ay.
Maybe we'll see even.
Come on. Get one. All right, no stopping.
In the hole. Anyone. I think that is better than what I had before. Back to a semi-respectable number. Woo. Only down 125. Back to that bit. Bet you don't. You have the cojones to give us a little.
Come on. Nice job, Panda.
Yeah, that was a
3.
big,
Ay, ay, ay. It's because you were going to change it.
it's a big sigh of relief.
Yeah. Huge sigh of relief.
Come on. So let's lock it in.
One more. Oh, man. Two. Oh my gosh, look at those numbers. Hey, didn't even think that was going to be a win. 4, 2.
Hey,
I got both.
all the way.
1. Let's go. Just needed a little switch up.
Warm it up. Let's go.
All right, Panda. Bonus in the bonus with some epic lines. Come on. 3 triggers. 2.
Don't block it. All the way.
Come on.
Oh, yep.
This way, that way, those, lots of ways.
All right.
Right here, bonus in the bonus. We're getting there.
$75 for you guys.
Woo-hoo! Welcome back.
Video was supposed to go the opposite way.
We were just supposed to climb straight up.
Yeah, we were on sets of heater off that other game.
Yeah, Wild Temple, that was a fun game.
Come on. Ready to give us a bonus. max bet 1250.
How about 1250 here? Oh my goodness.
Been a roller coaster. Got mine rolled back.
I was right there.
How about one more holding spin or one more free game? One more free game.
Come on, come on. Two. Get them right here. Come on. Oh. Look at those numbers. Come on.
We could do our first 2026.
A real hand pay. 2, 2, 2.
It's gotta be over $2,000.
2, 2, 2. Crap. Oh, oops, sorry, guys. You can't give 2 and then 2 and then nothing.
How are you gonna get it? That felt like it was happening.
Oh, I thought for sure.
Oh, let down. One more. How much is $2,500 minor? With some friends. Alright. I don't know. Say $1,500 for it.
Okay.
Or we catch another one. Get over 2,000 and leave? No, we tried. We went for it.
Come on, Panda. 2.
Lucky that's not easy. Do something.
Come on, 2, 2, 2, 1. Done. You took all the fun vibes, Panda. You really did.
Well, we got 2 nice bonuses. We were just down so far that we didn't get back to even.
You could do a $5. Alright. Call it there, guys.
I think that's it for us, you guys. 23 minutes. We battled it. Lost 500.
Yeah.
Nothing to the world. You guys are like this.